We all love to play with paper boats, especially the childrens. We have seen children from all over the world. They are fond of playing with water, making paper boats. Haven't you seen children making paper boats and launching them in the rainwater? And I hope you have also done the same. So hello students and viewers, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and safe in your home. This is your Arindam sir and you are watching Ray Vision Learning. We will read a very beautiful poem written by Rabindranath Tagore. The name of our today's poem is Paper Boats. So before going to the summary of this poem, let's just flick through the poem. Paper Boats. Day by day I float my paper boats, one by one, down the running stream. In big block letters I write my name on them and the name of the village where I live. I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am. I load my little boats with shiuli flowers from our garden and hope that these blooms of the dawn will be carried safely to land in the night. I launch my paper boats and look up into the sky and see the little clouds setting their white bulging sails. I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sends them down the air to race with my boats. When the night comes, I bury my face in my arms and dream that my paper boats float on and on under the midnight stars. The fairies of sleep are sailing in them and the lading is their baskets full of dreams. By Rabindranath Tagore. So this beautiful poem is written by Kaviguru Rabindranath Tagore. He was a Bengali poet. He was also a philosopher and an artist. He wrote many stories, novels, dramas. His writings greatly influenced Bengali culture during the late 19th century and early 20th century. In the year 1913, he won the Nobel Prize in Literature, the first Asian to win this prize. He was popularly known as Kaviguru or Gurudev in Bengali. Rabindranath Tagore's major works includes Gitanjali, Gora, Ghore Baire, and many other literary and art works. Primarily, Rabindranath Tagore was a Bengali poet, but he was equally a master at writing in English. He translated many of his works into English. His poetry shows his deep humanism. In his every poem there was a universal message of peace, love and joy. He transcends the barriers of space and time, and so his poetry has a universal appeal. This beautiful poem, Paper Boats or Day by Day I Float My Paper Boats, is a very nice poem of Tagore taken from his collection The Crescent Moon. This poem is on a childhood experience. Rabindranath Tagore found in children a mystic quality. The poem narrates the child's experience of floating paper boats in the running river down the stream. The child imagines that some other child tries to compete with his boats by sending clouds down the air in the sky. The poem shows the child's peculiar psychology. The child loves the worlds of playfulness and fun. Day by day he floats his paper boats down the running stream. He sends them with the intention that they would reach to some distant lands, and out of curiosity he writes his name and his village's name on those boats. He fondly hopes that somewhere someone will find them and know him. The lines, "I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am, says it. The child has always a deep sense of love. He wishes to present the unknown friend with valuable gifts. So, he loads his paper boat with flowers, that is shivli fool or shivli flower you can say, from his garden. He hopes that the boats will carry the flowers safely to the distant land even in the night. The lines, and hope that these blooms of the dawn will be carried safely to land in the night, says it, from the poem. When the child looks up, he sees the white clouds sailing in the sky. The child imagines that he has a friend in the sky. He, thinking that the other child sends white clouds down the air to compete with his boats, he said, I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sends then down the air to race with my boats. At night, the child sees dreams in his sleep. He dreams about his paper boats. In the dream, he is very happy to know that angels are sailing in his boats. Thus, the poem shows Rabindranath Tagore's keen insight into the child's mindset. So I hope that you have understood or you have enjoyed this beautiful poem, Paper Boats. Now, students, there is another similar poem which is quite almost similar to our poem, Paper Boats. That poem's name is A Paper Boat. It's written by Sin Bid. So I just wanna read that poem also for you all. The name of the poem is A Paper Boat, which is exactly similar and which have the similar meaning with our today's poem, Paper Boats, which is written by Rabindranath Tagore, and that poem, A Paper Boat, it's written by Sin Bid. The poem is like this. Making for life on a paper boat, make a few folds and you are set to float around the world and the seven seas, stopping for a while, rest with the trees. I don't need anything more than a paper boat to take me places with a little bit of rope. As I sail away on a new awakening dream, the world is looking fresh and I am feeling keen. Oh, to sail away in a paper boat, I don't need no land or a water moat. Maybe an anchor and a little food to go. I am going to sail away as this river flows, making downstream in a paper boat through all the reaches without our coats, to see the open sea off to places free, somewhere beyond a once lost breeze. Let's kiss the wide horizon in a paper boat, for we will not sink, but out there keep afloat. With paper sails and a long paper deck, we can brave the storms and never wreck. Here's to a world of love on one last paper boat, in a big old world, happy here to keep afloat. By Sin Bid. So this poem is also quite similar to the poem we have, Paper Boats, which is written by Rabindranath Tagore, and I hope that you have enjoyed both the poems. So with this, I am winding up today's video. I hope that you have liked this video, so please show some love, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe Revision Learning and press the bell icon so that you never miss any of our videos and updates. Till then, keep learning, keep enjoying, and we'll meet in our next video. Stay safe.